Welcome to the final video in our 6-part video series about making money on YouTube without making videos in my program Tube Mastery and Monetization 2.0. I just want to stop for a moment and thank you from the bottom of my heart to everybody who's watched this 6-video series. I've received so many messages, Instagram DMs, and emails from people who are interested and serious about doing this, and the early bird waitlist has grown way bigger than expected. In fact, right now, there are more people on the early bird waitlist than I can accept into the program. I've also received hundreds of questions about Tube Mastery and Monetization 2.0, and instead of replying to every question one-on-one, I thought it'd be a good idea to shoot a video and answer all of your questions in one place. So if you sent me a message and I haven't gotten back, I do apologize. My Instagram DMs and emails are completely full with questions about Tube Mastery and Monetization 2.0. Now, before I do that, I just want to recap everything that we covered in this 6-video series so far. If you watched the last 5 videos in this 6-video series, then you know that niche channels where you never have to show your face are one of the best ways to make money on YouTube. I also showed you that actually doing this is not as hard as you probably think. I demonstrated how you can quickly get started and get results fast using similar metadata. And I also showed you actual examples of niche channels in action and some of the results that my students have gotten. And with niche channels, there's no reason that you can't start making money on YouTube. You don't need to spend hours a day in front of a camera filming videos with countless retakes, buying extremely expensive video and audio equipment, and you don't even need to be good at technology. Now, with that being said, I'm really excited to announce that registration for Tube Mastery and Monetization 2.0 is going to be opening in the next couple days, and I'll be taking a handful of new students and teaching them how to make money on YouTube step by step. You can literally watch over my shoulder as I take you through the entire process. And this isn't going to be a bunch of abstract theory, but rather an actual guide to making money on YouTube without making videos. Now, as promised, I'm going to answer some of the questions that we've been getting about the program. One question I've been getting a lot is whether this program is suitable for beginners or if it's only good for advanced people. And the answer is that it's beginner friendly and you don't need to have any prior experience before enrolling in the course. And also, as a bonus, I'm going to be throwing in a bonus course that's a simplified version of this process, so if at any time the program is too complex, you can always refer to that. But don't worry, you're going to be getting all the advanced tactics as well. The next question is, if everybody does this, will it still work? Basically, will this get saturated? And no, this will not get saturated. There's over 1 trillion views per year on YouTube, and I personally believe that that's way more than enough to go around for everybody. Plus, we're only doing this for a small handful of people, so the percentage of creators that actually know about this formula or this unique method is very small. Also, saturation up to a certain point can actually be a good thing because you can get in the suggested video feeds of already popular videos. However, to be completely honest, there can be such a thing as too much saturation if you're not producing content that's better, meaning a higher click-through rate and a higher average watch time than the competition. And speaking of competition, I know everybody likes to talk about that there's way more competition now on YouTube with way more people producing videos, but what most people fail to account for is that viewership has actually gone up accordingly, meaning that it is true there's more creators, but there's way more viewers as well. And out of all this competition, how many of them do you think really know how to actually produce and optimize content that performs well? And how many of them know what they're actually doing and have a strategy behind it? The number gets smaller and smaller, and if you do produce videos that are better than the competition, then you never have to worry about saturation. The next question is, does this work worldwide? And yes, niche channels can work anywhere in the world as long as you have a YouTube account. So if you have a YouTube account, you can do this method. The next question we have right here is, I know I can make money on YouTube, but I'm afraid it's going to take a long time to get monetized. Now, this can actually happen a lot faster than you probably think. For example, I've had channels get monetized after only 13 videos on the channel, and literally the channel's only a few weeks old, but I've also had channels that take many months and over 30 videos on the channel before they get monetized. But don't worry, you don't have to just rely on ad revenue to get monetized. Like we talked about in the last video in this 6-video series, we covered why you can actually make money on YouTube in so many different ways instead of just ad revenue. But ad revenue is definitely a nice bonus. Now I'm going to be showing you the fastest way that you can potentially get monetized. And you can see some of the student results flashing across the screen right here of some of the students who've joined this program who've gotten monetized. The next question we have right here is, I have a personal channel that's been struggling. Should I shut down my personal channel and start a niche faceless channel? Now, if you're passionate about being in front of a camera, I don't want to be the person to tell you to quit doing that. Even though niche channels might be more scalable, you might enjoy doing personal videos more, which is completely fine. And the amazing thing is that you can definitely do both. For example, I run one personal channel, which is Make Money Matt, and I run 8 different niche channels where I don't even show my face. So you can definitely do both. The next question we have right here is, will the tactics taught in Tube Mastery and Monetization help me grow my personal channel? And yes, if you're dead set about growing a personal channel, the tactics taught in this program will help you scale it, and they're the exact same tactics that I implemented on my personal channel, Make Money Matt, to get to the point of getting over 180,000 subscribers on my channel and over 500,000 views per month. And I personally believe that growing a personal channel was a lot harder because I actually had to get in front of a camera, but I'm going to show you exactly how I did it. And one of the bonuses that you're going to be getting as well if you do choose to join Tube Mastery and Monetization 2.0 is that I'm going to be giving you a bonus lesson called Personal Brand Secrets. And within here, I'm going to show you the secrets of how I made over $1 million from my personal brand, and some secrets on how I grew my personal channel super fast, how I grew my Instagram, Make Money Matt, super fast as well. You're going to be getting those as bonus lessons if you choose to join. The next question we have right here is, I have a full-time business. Do I have time for this? And yes, absolutely. This is designed for people just like you. If you want to hire someone else to do the work for you, I show you how to do that within the program. And this is an 8-week program, by the way. But for some people, it's going to be a 1-week program if you have time to go through it super quickly. But for other people, this will be an 8-week program because you can go through a little bit every single day. My goal with this program is for you to be able to go through it on your free time and discover exactly how to do this so you save so much of what would otherwise be wasted time and energy. The next question we have here is, I'm in the middle of another course right now. What should I do? Well, first of all, I want to say that's awesome that you're investing in yourself. And as much as I hate shiny object syndrome, focusing on one thing and then another thing and switching from course to course to course, which I see so many people do, I am going to be honest with you and tell you that I truly believe that niche YouTube channels are one of the best business models on the internet, and YouTube channels in general, and this is after looking at tons of different types of businesses online and trying to discover the businesses with the highest profit margins. And with niche channels, you can get started, and the beauty of it is that you can get started generating videos from scratch without showing your face, and you can have 100% profit margin in the beginning. And then when you outsource the work, pay other people to do the work for you, you can still maintain very high profit margins. So I personally believe that this is a lot better than any other business model that's out there. And if you already are taking part in another business model, say that you're doing affiliate marketing or selling digital programs, then you can use the same exact method to turbocharge your sales with affiliate marketing or whatever else that you're doing or whatever business model that you're in. I truly believe that YouTube can help you a ton. And I know another question that a lot of people have been asking is how much this program is going to cost. Now, it's going to be a huge discount before we finally raise the price of the program. So this is going to be your last chance to join at this huge discount with all of the bonuses. And also, there is going to be a payment plan just in case you don't have the amount of money saved up that it takes to join. The next question we have right here is, will you answer all of my questions once I join? And the answer is yes. I do my absolute best to answer every single question every single day within the private student community. And this is another reason that I can't take too many people into the program right now as well. I know a lot of other course creators out there, they release courses, you join the course, and then there's nothing. There's no help from them or anything like that. I want this to be totally different, and that's why I'm going to be there answering every single question every single day within the private student community, which you're going to get access to if you choose to take me up on this offer. The next question is, will you show how to edit videos step by step? And the answer is yes, and not only that, but I'm also going to be showing you that the anatomy of almost all viral videos follow. I'm going to show you how to write scripts the right way and systematize the process. I'm going to show you how to record voiceovers, where to get content for your niche channels without ever having to worry about copyright. I'm even going to give you a list of places that you can get content from as a bonus. I'm going to show you some of the best free video editing software and exactly how to use it. You're going to be getting a 2-hour lesson that you literally can look over my shoulder and watch me as I generate a complete video from start to finish, the entire process from coming up with a video idea to having a complete finished video. So you can see every step of this process. It's not just going to be talking about doing this. I'm going to show you step by step how to do this. You're also going to get a lesson about fair use, a fair use checklist, how to generate tons of videos fast using an automated software, and I'm going to be giving you a bonus list of everything that you need to do this and a ton of amazing other bonuses. Also, this is just a very small sample of what's included. And on top of that, I'm going to be showing you how to outsource and scale and get other people to make the videos for you so you can make money on YouTube without ever making videos. And not only that, but you're also going to be getting access to over 78 individual lessons in Tube Mastery and Monetization 2.0 alone. You'll get the private student community, tons of bonuses, cheat sheets, and checklists, and I'm going to even be throwing in some bonus courses as well. So I hope that answered some of your questions. Now I have also put together a page and a video explaining in depth exactly what you're going to be getting with this program that's going to be going live in a few days. But if you want to make sure that you get a spot in the online course, I'm going to give you some instructions right now that you can use to ensure that you get a spot once registration opens. Because here's the thing, as much as I would love to help everybody one-on-one make money using YouTube, I simply can't work with too many students at the same time while still providing the support and the guidance that you need to get the results that you want. I prefer keeping my online classes smaller so I can be there and I can give support for everybody who needs it. So please understand that the program will be limited and spots will be granted on a first come, first serve basis. And if you want to be part of it, you need to act immediately once registration opens. Here's what you can do to increase your chances of getting into Tube Mastery and Monetization 2.0 with all the bonuses. Number one, if you've signed up for the early bird waitlist, then your chances of getting in the program are a lot higher because I'll be sending out an email to everybody on the early bird waitlist with a special early bird registration link. One reason that I've created an early bird waitlist is so that you can get access before the public does. But to secure your spot, you need to act immediately once you get the early bird registration email. Now, in case you weren't able to get on the early bird waitlist in time, you might still be able to get a spot in the online program if you follow these steps. Here's how you can potentially get in. Number one, keep an eye on my social media newsfeed. This includes my Instagram at MakeMoneyMatt and my YouTube channel and the community tab on my channel. As soon as you see an ad or an announcement that the doors to Tube Mastery and Monetization 2.0 are open, click the link which is going to take you to the registration page and secure your spot in the class immediately. It's very likely that there's going to be a giant rush to the registration page since there are so many people lined up for it. But if you follow these instructions, then you can increase your odds of getting a spot. That being said, I can't wait to knock it out of the park with everybody and help you start making money with YouTube. That's all from me for now. I hope you've enjoyed this 6-video series, and I'm really looking forward to hitting the ground running and getting to work with all the new students a few days from now. Thanks so much for watching this video and sticking with me until the end, and I look forward to hopefully working with you within the program Tube Mastery and Monetization 2.0 and helping you with YouTube.